Wind warning. Issued at Tuesday, 3:32 p.m. July 30th. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. Strong winds that may cause damage are expected or occurring. Strong easterly winds gusting near 90 kilometers per hour are expected to develop Wednesday afternoon and continue through the evening. Strong winds will diminish Thursday morning. Hashtag. Loose objects may be tossed by the wind and cause injury or damage. Wind warnings are issued when there is a significant risk of damaging winds. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to nstorm@ecgc.ca or tweet reports using hashtag NUStorm.